Experience the Comfort Shield difference. So today's video, I want to talk about our Comfort Shield product and what it can do for your home and make your home more efficient and more comfortable. Those are the two big things with Comfort Shield. So the product itself, it has 2 layers of radiant barrier, one on each side of the material. It's perforated. It is pure aluminum, so it does not burn. It is like it'll give you more of a fire break in your attic as well. And it also has 3 millimeters of fiberglass insulation in there, so it gives you some insulating value. But the radiant energy is what we're really pushing away from off of your insulation and keeping it out of your home. So that's the idea of this Comfort Shield product. 2 places it can go. It can go right on top of your insulation on the attic floor, kind of like I have here. We have it laid out. So that would be over your existing insulation. What that does when we do it that way is once the energy inside of your house, we're heating the house in the winter, we got the energy coming up through that insulation, it hits the radiant material and it kicks it back into the insulation. So the insulation performs so much better. I mean, it's like night and day difference. So that's one application. The other application, we could put it up on your roof decking. So it would be right up on the roof rafters. So the way that works is when the sun's energy hits the roof, it hits this radiant material and kicks it back and keeps the interior of your attic space cooler. So we take the heat load off your HVAC system, off of your insulation. So now all that can perform better because we've lowered the attic temperature. So it's all about attic temperature, right? So this would be one thing that would work with attic temperature. It could work in conjunction with your ventilation. Solar attic ventilation would be the next best thing to kind of go along with this. So in a perfect storm, have great ventilation in your attic, maybe a couple solar attic fans, the Comfort Shield, kicking the heat, that existing heat off of the insulation that's still up there, because we're never going to get the attic temperature. If it's 70 degrees in the house and it's 100 degrees outside, the attic temperature at best is going to be about 105, 110. So we still have some heat load, and that's where the Comfort Shield is going to kind of be that icing on the cake in that scenario. But if we put it up on the roof decking, it's going to work in conjunction with the ventilation that you have, or if you add some solar ventilation, it's going to take the heat load and we won't have so much heat inside the house. We still need great ventilation. No matter what we're doing, we need ventilation in a home. Goes along with this Comfort Shield. So in the winter, we're going to keep the house warm all winter long, right? Because that heat's coming up through the insulation. It's getting kicked back into the home, so it's nice and warm as you're heating the house. So we're going to save you money on your energy bills. So the 2 big benefits here. Lower energy bills, 15 to 20, 25%. We see there's a big difference in your energy bills when you do the Comfort Shield. And that's all year long. So that's going to be in the heating season, the cooling season, all year long with the Comfort Shield. The second thing is going to be the comfort. That's why it's called Comfort Shield, right? We're going to make your house more comfortable. So when you're sitting in there and you got the thermostat set on 72 degrees, in the summertime, it's 72 degrees in your house. It's not 75, 78, because we're taking the heat load off of that insulation. In the winter, when we're heating the house, that heat's trying to escape out of that insulation out into the atmosphere, right? That radiant material is going to keep that heat inside of the home and make your home more comfortable as well. So you'll save money on your energy bills. So it pays for itself pretty quick. It's probably 2 to 3 year payback with the Comfort Shield. So it's kind of a no-brainer, right? And then also it's going to make that house so much more comfortable. So talk to your consultant today here at the table. Look at which is the best option. Should we put it on the attic floor? Should we put it up on the roof rafters? Maybe in some cases we do both, depending how much ventilation we could get in the attic. If we can't get good ventilation, I'm saying let's put it on the roof decking. Let's put it on the attic floor. So every house is different. Every customer is different. What's different in a house? Color of the shingles, right? How much heat load? What temperature does the customer keep the thermostat on? How efficient is their air conditioning system, right? What part of the country are they in? There's so many differences. How was the construction of the house? Is it a hip roof, a ridge? What's going on in the house? So talk to your consultant. They'll be able to advise you. All of our consultants are trained, so they know how to install this Comfort Shield. They know where it goes. They know what to do best. So lean on them for some advice. They'll get you taken care of. We got an amazing product here, and we look forward to working with you. Thank you.